Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. Also, for a full description of this vehicle, of everything that's on it, and also over 40 still pictures of this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival. It's a local trade 2013 GMC 2500 HD with all the bells and whistles on it, guys. And this also is, as you can hear it, I'm sure, a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel with the Allison transmission in this. The exterior on this vehicle is black in color, really nice chrome front bumper. It does have your tow hooks located on the bottom, also with your fog lights. Exterior color is black. Really nice 6-inch lift on this vehicle. Upgraded, oversized rims and tires. This is a Falcon tire. The tire looks to be in brand new condition. And you have a really nice 20-inch blacked out rim. As you can see, like I said, the tires still have the paint marks inside there, so they are brand new tires. And as you guys are aware, I'm sure they are not cheap tires. Factory step-up bar located on the side. Crew cab, 4-wheel drive, Z71, just all the bells and whistles. Spray and bed liner located in this thing. This is a Line X bed liner. Seems to be still in very, very good condition. I don't see any dents at all in the bed. Chrome rear bumper. Tow package located down here, and also your 7-pin wiring hookup located over there. Just like the front, I don't see any major scratches, any dents at all on this vehicle. With just over 100,000 miles, this vehicle is in very, very good condition. I drove this vehicle up the road. It's not wandering on all over the road like some four-wheel drives do, especially when they're lifted. It drives straight down the road. There's no rubbing with the front tires when you turn. Extremely sharp, which is another really nice feature when it comes to a lifted truck. This vehicle is definitely lifted properly and done by a very good lift company. And I believe the lift on this is a Pro Comp lift. Memory seating for up to 2. It also does have heated seats located right here. And then right underneath that, you're going to have your power mirrors and also your power windows, and then your power locks here on the rear. Automatic overhead headlighting located right here. And then you do have your 4-wheel drive system located right here. 2 high, 4 high, and also 4 low. Power seat also comes with power lumbar located right here behind it. WeatherTech upgraded floor mats throughout to help keep your floor clean. Leather seating seems to be in very good shape. The driver's side seat's not wore down on the side, which is a really nice feature. When it comes to GMs, they're known to wear out on the side, but this looks like it's been definitely taken care of. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel over here, you have all your cruise control settings. And then on the right-hand side, you have all the settings when it comes to operating your radio. You also do have the feature right here in the center of this button right here, where you can program your phone directly into this vehicle. So through Bluetooth, for example, and you can answer your phone calls just by hitting the button. No more reaching for your phone while driving down the road. And like I said, it has just over 100,000 miles, as you can see there. All in all, just a very, very clean interior of this vehicle and very well taken care of. AM, FM, XM radio. As far as your radio goes right here, you also do have dual climate controls located right here. And then you do also have an auto feature where you can set it on different temperatures where you like, or the same temperature, hit the auto button, and it'll maintain that interior cab temperature while driving down the road. Exhaust brake located right down here on the bottom. Also, you do have 2 cell phone chargers, 2 12-volt chargers located right there. Nice little storage compartment, two cup holders, nice large armrest that's not scratched up, it's not peeling, it's in really good condition. Nice large storage compartment in there. And just like the driver's side, I don't see any tears. The seat is not worn at all. It's just an all-in-all in very good condition. And also, just like the driver's side, you do have your WeatherTech floor liner. This vehicle does also come equipped with a factory sunroof and also universal garage door openers located up here. You can program up to 3 garage door openers into this vehicle. Also, another thing I did not mention before jumping in, it does have a factory trailer brake control located right here with your gains located right underneath that. Just like the front, this back seat is in immaculate condition. It also does have the upgraded floor mat, as you can see along the bottom. There is 0 scratches, 0 tears. Looks like it's never even been sat in as far as the back seat goes. All in all, a very, very clean rear back seat. It also does have a flip down center console with 2 cup holders and a nice armrest. The rear window on this, it does have a defrost on it, as you can see. So if you're looking for a lifted truck, this may be the one for you. Very hard to find considering it has the diesel in it. Most of these lifted trucks are going to be their gas motors. So this is an extremely rare vehicle when it comes to a lifted 4-wheel drive truck, knowing that it has brand new tires put on it and it's in extremely good condition inside and out. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be sure to see all of our new arrivals just like this one here today. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit and a full description of everything that's on this unit, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And for the guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned vehicle in stock, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.